Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome back to Yoga and Fitness. Session 19. Locust Pose. Locust Pose is an intermediate back bend that tones and strengthens the entire back of the body. Benefits of Locust Pose. Locust Pose strengthens and increases flexibility throughout the entire back of the body, including the spine, legs, buttocks, and all of the muscles surrounding your ribs and upper torso. Working the upper back muscles improves posture and helps relieve stress and fatigue. This also strengthens the abdominal muscles and the chest. This helps to open the lungs, which improves breathing capacity. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Begin lying on your stomach with your arms at your sides. 2. Inhale and raise your head to look forward. On your exhale, lift your chest and arms. Keep your arms alongside your body with your palms facing down. Lift your upper spine and reach your arms back toward your feet. 3. Use your inner thighs to lift your legs up toward the ceiling. Your weight should rest on your lower ribs, belly, and front pelvis. 4. Hold for few seconds. On an exhalation, slowly release your body to the ground. Relax,